Hi, welcome home. Tough times, what to say. But like it is up to us to make the best of whatever we can. People don't eat the skins of apples and skins of potatoes. So today we are gonna make something interesting with it. The government is doing whatever it's doing to keep the supply chain in place. But like the thing is that it is also up to us as to make the maximum use of ingredients available to us so that we don't put a lot of stress on that supply chain. So what I have done is basically I have washed potatoes and then dried them so that there is no moisture on the surface and we don't have to get rid of a lot of moisture to make them crispy. We're gonna make it slightly interesting with some apple peels. Apple peels are from breakfast this morning. I just soaked them up in some lemon water so that they don't oxidize. Some oranges, green chilies, chutneys, a little bit of crunch coming from the peanuts. Basically, what we're gonna do is, the peels that we have, we're gonna roughly julienne them. Doesn't have to be uniform in any kind of way. It has to be in different textures and different bites. So now the thing is, this thing is like nicely done. As we washed them very well, so there is no grime. Just separate whatever you can. And we're gonna check the oil first as to what the temperature is. I think it is just right at the moment. So we're gonna pop our stuff in. We don't want to brown them too much. The idea is for them to lose water so that they become crisp. We don't want to caramelize them that much. The water is coming out, so we're gonna julienne this also. I mean, like talking about the chemistry of things. The scientists say, or some people really say that the nutrients, the most nutrients are just under the skin. So I mean, like, people don't eat skin. I am one always under stuff. At home also we have kids who don't like skin that much. So once that's done, we'll put it back in the lemon water again. Some chilies, to make it interesting. You will know when it is done when it stops to bubble. So as you can see, these have crispened up very nicely. We're gonna now season this. Well, it is, as you can see, listen to the voice. It is quite crispy. As it cools down, it's gonna crispen up even more. So, salt on top. I'm gonna take a plate. Pop the stuff in. Green chilies. Maybe the chutney. We don't want over. Now that we got the base sorted. Chilies, just for a little bit of character. Some chaat masala. And some zira powder. Nice. Put some chutney on top. Manage with some stuff you have. I mean, like, it is basically throw some stuff on. Curfew Chaat, we call it.